Hello friends, today we will discuss data collection in research methodology. Data collection is a critical component of research methodology. It forms the backbone of the research process. It involves gathering information to answer research questions, test hypotheses, or evaluate outcomes. So the key aspects of data collection in research methodology are: first, purpose of data collection, that is, the primary aim of data collection is to obtain accurate and relevant data that can inform decision making, validate theories, and contribute to the body of knowledge in a particular field. It helps researchers to understand patterns, relationships, and trends related to the phenomena under study. Types of data. So data can be broadly classified into two types. First is quantitative and second is qualitative. So quantitative data is numerical and can be collected through surveys and close-ended questions. Close-ended questions means whose answers are fixed, experiments and observational studies that can be quantified. It allows for statistical analysis to identify patterns and relationships. And the other is qualitative data, which can be found through methods like interviews, focus group observations, and open-ended surveys, where open-ended surveys the people are free to answer. It focuses on understanding concepts, thought, or experiences. Both types of data are collected for research in different type of research methodology or research. Data collection methods. There are several methods for collecting data, and the choice of method depends on the research objectives, questions, and the type of data needed. Common methods include surveys and questionnaires, structured tools for collecting data from a large number of respondents. They can be delivered in person, by mail, via telephone, or online. Interviews in depth, often qualitative methods of collecting data, allowing researchers to gather detailed information from participants. Focus groups discussions, facilitated by a moderator, where a small group of participants share their insights around a specific topic. That is called focus group data collection. Observations, collecting data through direct observation of behaviors or events, which can be either participant or non-participant. Experiments can be controlled studies where researchers manipulate variables to observe effects on other variables. Secondary data analysis, using the pre-existing data collected for another purpose, such as government reports, academic articles, or organizational databases. Then comes sampling techniques. Sampling is the process of selecting a subset of individuals from a population to represent the whole population. Key sampling methods include probability sampling. All members of the group or population have a known non-zero chance of being selected. That is simple random sampling. Stratified sampling. Non-probability sampling. Not all members have a chance of being included. For example, convenience sampling, quota sampling, purposive sampling, etc. This method may introduce bias, but it can be useful for exploratory research. Then comes data collection instruments. Selecting appropriate instruments is crucial for effective data collections. Instruments must be reliable. Consistent results over time is the feature of reliability, and valid measuring what they are intended to measure. Common instruments include surveys and questionnaires, interview guides, observation checklists, measurement tools like scales, diagnostic tests, ethical considerations. Ethical aspects are paramount in data collection. Researchers must obtain informed consent from participants, ensure confidentiality and anonymity, avoid harm, and be transparent about the purpose and use of the collected data. Data management. Data management involves organizing collected data for analysis. This includes data entry, cleaning, storage, and ensuring that data is accurately categorized and maintained securely. Securely means it is maintained with security. Analysis and interpretation. After data collection, researchers analyze and interpret data using statistical techniques. For quantitative data or thematic analysis for qualitative data to draw meaningful conclusions and insights in relation to research questions.